Forgot your Electrum wallet password? Luckily, there are a few things you can do. If you have your seed phrase, you can easily restore your wallet in a new Electrum installation. No password required. Just enter your seed and you're back in business. But what if you've lost your seed phrase and only have the encrypted wallet file? That's where it gets tricky. You'll need to brute force your password using your wallet file, a solid list of password hints. Think old passwords, pet names, and even typos, and a tool like BTCrecover. The recovery process can take time, so be patient. The more thorough your password list, the better your chances. Mix in uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and variations to speed things up. If you're still stuck, consider reaching out to professionals at CryptoRecovers.com. They specialize in unlocking encrypted wallets. Just remember, if both your password and seed phrase are gone, recovery isn't possible. Stay safe and always back up your wallets. If you want more information, check out our blog about recovering your Electrum password on our website. The link is in the description.